Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video you're gonna learning about how to turn off your two-factor authentication on your Facebook profile, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, my name is Stark and you're watching the Stark News YouTube channel on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what you're waiting for, just hit the subscribe button down below and press the bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's dive into it, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app. After that, what you all have to do is tap at that profile picture in the top right corner and then tap at the gear to open up your settings and privacy. Once you come to your settings and privacy, just simply tap at privacy checkup in tools and resources option. Just simply tap on it like that and then go for the second option, how to keep your account secure. Just simply tap on it like that and tap continue. After that, tap skip and then tap next or skip. You can here get the option for to manage your two-factor authentication. Just simply tap at manage. After that, here you get the option turn off. Let me show it to you clearly. Just wait a little bit. Here you can see that option. Just tap on it like that and tap turn off. And here you have to give your password and tap continue. I'm gonna not turning it off for the sake of video. I'm gonna canceling it. Just simply tap at continue. It will turn off your two-factor authentication. So after that, once you're done with it, just come back and tap next and tap review another topic. Just tap on it like that. So that's how you can easily do that. So I hope it helps you guys, and if it helps, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on end screen. Goodbye till the next video.